Welcome to this Cybersecurity Home Lab tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your own safe environment and practice Nmap scans, which is designed for beginners. Follow along as we guide you through selecting hardware, configuring virtual machines, and conducting basic Nmap scans. Get ready to sharpen your cybersecurity skills and dive into the world of network security. In this tutorial, the host machine will be a Windows machine, so please follow along and follow the steps that will be shown. To begin, first open a web browser and on Google or any web search VirtualBox download and click on the first link, which is a VirtualBox website, and navigate to the relevant link. Here is the Windows host, so we'll download that, and you will see exe file will be downloaded. You can open that and you can start the configuration. It's a simple step. Just click on the next button twice, click on yes, click on yes again, and then you can click on install. Once it's complete, click on finish and VirtualBox machine should load up. This is how the virtual machine VirtualBox looks like. You can minimize that for now while we download Kali Linux for the virtual machine. So you can go on kali.org. Depending on what machine you've got, you can click on either 32-bit or 64-bit. Here we've got a 64-bit, and we will download Kali for the VirtualBox. And once it's downloaded, you'll get a zip file. You can right click on it, and here we use 7-zip to extract the files. To add a machine on VirtualBox, simply click on add, find the file that's been extracted and click on the Kali Linux app. Now on a search engine, you can type in download Windows 10 ISO and you'll be taken to the Microsoft website, and you can download the installation media file. Once it's downloaded, double click on the software and follow along the simple steps to install that. Once it's installed, to add the Windows machine, just give a name to the machine and click on the ISO file that's downloaded through the media installation. Click on skip unattended installation. Keep this blank. You can set this to 4 GB, the memory. The hard disk, you can leave it as how it is and click on finish. And this will set you up for Windows. Now double click on both machines, Windows and Kali machines, to load it up. Click on switch. Press enter on Kali machine. You can put both machines side by side to make things easier and so you can see what is going on. Here we will set up the network settings. Click on settings, go to network and select NAT network and click on OK. This is for the Kali machine. Now for the Windows machine, just click on Windows, click on settings, navigate to network and select NAT network. This creates its own environment in the network and it gives each individual machine its own IP. The default username for Kali is Kali and the password is Kali. Log into the Windows machine with the credentials that were saved earlier. Now once both machines are up and running, you can open the terminal on the Kali machine and we will first check the IP. This is done by typing ifconfig on the terminal and pressing enter. Here we can see the IP as 10.0.2.6 next to Inet. On the Windows machine, navigate to command prompt and type in the following command to find the IP address. So it's ipconfig-all, and next to the IPv4 address you will see the IP for the Windows machine, which is 10.0.2.15. Now we'll do a simple check to see connectivity from pinging from the Kali machine to the Windows machine, just by simply typing ping and the IP. But we can see here nothing has gone through. This could be because the Windows has got a firewall set up. Now we'll go on the Windows machine and we'll do the same. We'll ping the Kali machine, so we simply type ping and the IP for the Kali machine, which is 10.0.2.6. Here we can see that it is successful. 3 packets were sent and 3 packets were received, so we have established connection here. Now we will try to install the Nmap on the Kali machine if it's not been installed. So simply type in sudo apt-get install Nmap. Sudo is used for root privileges, which gives more permissions to the user root privileges. Once this is done, Nmap can be used. Here we will do a SYN scan, a basic scan, which is a stealth scan, just by typing sudo nmap dash lowercase s, uppercase s, then the IP, the target IP, which is a Windows machine here. And we can see that Nmap has been started and it's performing the SYN stealth scan. Once it's completed, we can see that it shows a port that is open. Now we will check and we will investigate by using other Nmap scans. So just by adding a dash and a lowercase s and an uppercase V, and then specifying the IP here by entering -P and then the IP, we're able to narrow down, not the IP, sorry, the port. We're able to narrow down the port numbers, and it will do a service scan on the victim machine, which is Windows. Here we can see we're able to see what services are running and other ports that are open. Now we will search and look for Wireshark, which will show us the activity in the background. Once it's open, click on the blue fin logo, and then retype one of the Nmap scan commands in the background. Once that is running, reopen Wireshark. Click on the blue fin, and here we can get a lot more detail about the scan. So we can see that there's a source IP and the destination IP. It's going through the TCP ports, and also showing that it's a SYN stealth scan. We have now successfully completed the home lab and completed 2 different types of scans. Thank you for watching.